This is the 2012 materials and the use and structures. The first question here, this is a 3D, well, a 2D diagram of a 3D tent, and that's the centre pole here, and there's 3 ropes off it, and each is at a rope of 45 degrees, and the force that the ground exerts on each rope is equal to 100 newtons. Now, because none of this is moving, that means if the ground exerts 100 newtons onto the rope then exerts 100 newtons onto the pole here. So if I was to draw the pole, let's draw the pole green. This is the pole here, green. I'm going to draw another diagram just so you know. There's the pole, and then our rope is red, and that has 100 newtons tension in it. And it's 45 degrees here. And it says, which of the following best describes the force on the centre pole? Now there's obviously 3 ropes, but I've just drawn one for now. We get rid of 2 of these answers because we know the ropes are going to be pulling down on that pole, and we can say, is it either in tension or is it in compression? One of the ways that I've been told on how to look at this, if it's tension or compression, is can I replace this pole with a piece of string? If the answer is yes, then it's in tension. So could I take the tent apart and put a piece of string here instead and it would still stay up? The answer is probably no. And if the answer is no, then it's in compression. So we can get rid of this answer here, and we can get rid of this answer here. Then we just have to work out which of these 2 is the answer. Alright, like I said, there's one rope here which is 100 newtons pulling down that way. We can say that one rope of 100 newtons, we can say that's made up of components of pulling down this way and pulling across this way. If that's 100 newtons and this is 45 degrees, then this must be, this side here is the adjacent, so this must be 100 cos 45, and this is the bottom side is the opposite, so that's 100 sine 45, and when you work those out you have 100 newtons down. It's like saying you've got 71 newtons that way and 71 newtons that way. So that's what the 100 cos 45 and the 100 sine 45 give, 71 and 71. Right, that's just one of the ropes. There's 3 of them, and it turns out because we know the tent pole doesn't move side to side, all of these ones, these 71s to the side, there's going to be a 71 this way, there's going to be like a 71 this way, and a 71 this way, maybe up this way. 71 and 71, they all cancel out, so it doesn't move to the side. And then you've got each rope has got a downwards force of 71. So the overall force downwards is 71 times 3, which is 213 newtons. And that's where we get this one here from. So the answer is B.